everybody, it's Rachel. In this video, we're going to be using Stampers Anonymous Tim Holtz collection, Flower Garden CMS215. And I had this in my collection for quite some time, and I just discovered it. So it's an old product, so I'm not sure if they still sell it, so I apologize if they don't, but I'm sure you can find something very similar to that. We're going to go ahead and just be a little abstract with our design, since this is kind of abstract in itself, and then we will make a cute little card. All right, first thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna move that to the side because I don't need that anymore. All right, I'm gonna bring in my Misty, and we're gonna go ahead and get this put into position. In fact, I think what we'll do is, okay, hold on. I'm curious here. I think what we'll do is, just because I got it kind of positioned where I like, actually this needs to go up a little bit more. So I'm going to leave that there. And then I'm going to tape this. I'm going to turn off my fan. Sorry that you guys hear my fan in the background. Okay, let me just tape that down like so. Okay. And then I'm going to close this. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not going to work. Okay. I was thinking I could maybe flip this over. Oh, you know what? Duh, Rachel. Oh my God, you guys. There we go. It takes all kinds. Oh my gosh, I feel so stupid. All right, well, we're going to pretend none of that existed, and we're going to pretend like I actually was smart and did not just have a complete dumb moment here. Sometimes the brain just does not want to work. All right, I'm going to add some anti-static powder because, oh, that's a lot. Because I am going to emboss, and here's the funny part. I'm going to talk about this while I'm doing this. So I'm going to bring this in, actually. My grandmother gave me some embossing powder, and I thought it was glitter. And this was going back, oops, that was my phone, sorry. Oh no. Oh gosh. You know, oh shoot. And I think I actually need to take this off. Yep, and it would have stayed. Darn it. Okay. Let me clean this up real quick. I wanted to get some gold powder, but I saw that I had this in my stash. I cannot believe after all of these years I kept it in my collection. I mean, I don't even know how long my grandmother had it. Honestly. So this is, yeah, probably, let's see here. No, probably even longer. Maybe 25 years ago, I want to say. And yeah, I still have it. It's amazing. And all the moves, I moved across like 700 miles, and I still kept it. And I said, one of these days, I'm going to end up using it. Well, sure enough, I did. Okay, got that one. And then we're going to go ahead and do this one as well. And then let's try to see if this is going to work. I am pretty excited. It should, but you know, you never know. This is All Night Media rubber stamps embossing powder. And yeah. Okay, let's try it again. All right, I think there's some areas I want to definitely clean up real quick, and then we should be good to go. I just use a brush that I have dedicated to cleaning embossing folder, like a paintbrush. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my little holder here. And go ahead and get this heat emboss. I'm going to heat this up first, and then I'll apply the heat to the paper. So we're going to use some Distress Oxide spun sugar. And again, I don't even know how this is going to turn out, but we are just going to give it the good old try. I'm going to bring in my water, spritz some water, I'm going to move that over, spritz some water to it, and I am going to, actually, let me test this before I put this on the paper. Now, I am just going to grab some of that, and then I think what I'm just going to do is just kind of paint with inside, but I'm totally okay with it going outside of the foil, but you know, of course, if that's not your thing, maybe get out some markers. That could work. Then let's go ahead and do this. Get that in there. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, okay. Get some of that back in here. There we go. And then bringing that in. Oh my goodness. I love it. Might have to get some yellow for that center. Well, yellow, I don't know. No, yellow probably won't make a lot of sense. Maybe I'll just do a little bit very, very lightly. Here we go. Do we want to add green down here? Yeah, I think we should. Okay. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is good. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna go a shade darker in some areas. And then we will, yeah, and then I will bring in some green. So I realized that I forgot to hit record button, and so what I did is I added some Kitsch Flamingo at the ends of the flower and then here at the top. I also don't think I recorded the eucalyptus as well, but I used eucalyptus for the stem right here, and I apologize. Oh man, this is such a bummer because this card is going to turn out super cute. But anyway, now you know what I did, and let's go ahead and continue on to making this card. Let's do that. We'll just do some more embossing. Okay. I think what we'll do is we'll cut this. Go. Everything, you know, all stamps should always come with coordinating dies. I mean, it should just be a given. I don't know why they don't. What I did is I trimmed that down. I think I got a little too close to the top, but I'm okay with that. And I'm also going to trim down my panel, and it's 4 1/4, so I'm going to trim it down to 4 5 1/4. So there we go. I'm going to take a little off the top and the bottom. So I'm going to do 5 1/4. Yeah. I'm going to put some gold foil because I think that would look pretty nice. And then I'll trim it down from there. I need updated stuff in my craft room. This just makes me realize I am missing, I have some holes in my craft room. Gosh. Okay, so I'm just using some art glitter glue, and then I'm going to bring out my tweezers, and then I'm going to apply this onto my foil. This is just a piece of scrap that I have in my scrap bin. That's good. Okay. Perfect. Okay. then we'll come in, well, you know what, let's get this trimmed off first. I'm gonna cut it, let it go. It can be used for another piece, and then just makes it a little bit easier. Let's see what I want to do. I think that's good. Oh, how did you get so crooked? Oh God, all right. My piece must have been crooked. Oh, she's a hot mess. She is a hot mess. Oh, okay. I think we got it. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna have to cut it this way. No, it's not gonna work. Shit. Okay, I've never done such a shoddy job in my life, but we got it. This is not exactly what I wanted to do. This card was last minute, and I wanted to try a technique. So we're trying it, we're doing it, we're learning, and we'll move on. Bringing in my score tool here. I'm going to score it at 5.5 because right now it's 4.25 by 11. So we want to go 1.5, right? What we will do is get out the magnets because I want to get my panel. Actually, let's get some foam tape. And I just added 3. I think that should be sufficient enough. And I'm going to stand up and do this. Perfect. And then I'm also going to add my sentiment. I think that's good. And I don't know if I want to pop it up. Yeah, I guess I do. That was a hard decision to make. Okay, I'm just going to bring in that foam tape again. Higher. Right. Oh, wow, there was no wiggle room. All right. Perfect. All right, then what we're going to do is add some, I think if I have some embellishments that's going to match, we're going to add it. If not, then we will just leave the card as is. Let me go look in my stash. I don't know if I have anything gold, but I'm going to check. So I don't have any gold beads. And so I think I'll just have to go back to the good old faithful with my dewdrops. So I'm just trying to figure out the placement. And I know that design aesthetic ads are more pleasing to the eye, but you know, sometimes we got to break the rules. Sometimes, there, I think I want that one, not this one. I wish there was a piece in between, but I will. Sometimes you just gotta break that. Yep, sold. Okay, I'm okay. We don't have. We only have you know, I don't even know where I was gonna go with that. Oh, I lost my train of thought. Mom brain. That is so for real. I used to pride myself on my memory, and now it's like I don't even trust anything I say. Oh my gosh. It's like, what did I do yesterday? Or heck, even this morning, what did I have for breakfast? You know, it's kind of just just how my life's been. Okay, with working, YouTube, and just everything else that comes with being a mother and a wife, and a full-time worker. Let me add the finishing part, which is adding my little stamp. That's not really a stamp, it's a sticker, right? And then let's put that little guy right. Here we go. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this is. Okay, you're going to be seeing more of this technique later. I am definitely going to update my craft supplies so that way this is not so terribly crooked. I need smaller nesting dies. And then, of course, I need more enamels or just more pearls or something like that. But anyways, I think the dewdrops worked out perfectly. It's just a nice little added touch. And yeah, you're going to see this time and time again. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Please be sure to give this video a like if you liked it, because that really helps out my channel. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.